your fans get to watch Cash together?
Okay, now that is a question you gotta ask the producers and the channel, because they are the deciding factor. So if they want to see Cash together, they can make it happen. It's not me. Though I think there have been a big debate on it. There have been 3 Ridhimas, and I know I had certain issues of my own and whatever there was, and I had left in the middle. And then there was Sukirti who had taken part. She also did a good job. And there was Jenny also. She also did a nice job. So I know there's this big debate and there are 3 Ridhimas and the war going on between them. But I think everybody did a good job, with it. So I don't know about Cash and all that.
So DMG is back on TV again.
I know, it's back. I was surprised myself. I was clicking the channels and like, this is DMG? Oh my god, how come it's back on air, So, and then Sunena also had called me telling me, hey, we're back on air. I'm like, I know. So yeah, that is the fun part.
What is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is wearing something you're totally comfortable in. You can't wear, suppose you're wearing some very hot pants and all, trying to look very, sexy and trendy, but you're not comfortable in it. That is not fashion. You have to wear something where you're able to carry it off and be comfortable in it. You can sit anyhow, you're chilled out, you're not very conscious.
Yeah.
So you should carry off what you wear.
Which color fills your wardrobe?
I love pink, bubblegum pink, and yellow and orange. I like these colors, vibrant colors.
And any fashion tip you would like to give?
Fashion tip. Let me see. Always wear something that you don't dress for an occasion. Dress for yourself. What your mood is, what you feel like wearing. I think that's on fashion.
One simple trick that makes you look fabulous.
A smile on your face.
Favorite shopping destination?
I love London. Oh my god, when will I go to London to shop? And now because my sister is most of the time in the US, I also love Boston and New York to shop there. But London is the best.
A must in your purse?
Must in my purse. My Kajal pencil. Yeah, I am very fond of Kajal. So,
has your fashion sense undergone since your college days?
My college days I was very simple though. I was very jeans, t-shirt, loose type, But yeah, so a lot of changes happened there since my college days. There have been.
So what kind of shoes you like to wear?
I love stilettos, of course, but at the same time, I love flip-flops. They're so comfortable. Just wear it and just go anywhere.
And what about clothes? Like, if you're given a freedom, what kind of clothes?
I love shorts. These days, earlier it was jeans, but I love shorts because of the heat. And it's so comfortable. I just love shorts.
If you given 1 month to be in same clothes, so
1 month?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe not shorts, because probably it would be pajamas. 1 month, yeah. Have to be very dheela, loose, nice, comfortable. I'll be PJs. Maybe my nights will be rolling around.
Your fitness regime?
Okay, earlier I used to do this working out and all, weightlifting and all that, but then I kind of got done with that. And now recently I've taken up yoga, so I love yoga.
What food you follow?
Food?
Diet?
I don't follow any diet. When I'm dieting, I just cut down my food intake. Instead of 3 chapatis, I'll take 1 chapati. But otherwise, I just love pizzas. I love Italian food.
How about cooking?
Cooking. Okay, I'm trying to develop a liking towards cooking, which I've not yet developed, but I'm sure after a year or so, if you ask me, I'm going to be into cooking. But right now, not so much. I barely make Maggi noodles and chai.
Any experimental cooking you have done?
Experiment. I've done a lot of experiments. With the egg especially, I've tried some experiments. But usually whatever I try to experiment with, it turns out. So, not that bad.
If you could eat anything and never put on weight, what would you
Eat something that will not make me gain weight.
Yeah.
Does that happen? Hawa. I can eat hawa and not gain weight.
So, on streets, what do you love to eat?
Streets. streets on the street. Oh, I love not vada pav, I love pani puri. I love bhe puri, sev puri, dahi puri, all that. I just love it.
Reality shows are on, so any plan to be a part of any reality show, or if approached, what?
Reality shows, well, see, right now I'm not got reality shows in my mind. I'm currently basically doing 2 films. One is Alert 24/7 and the other film I'm going to be filming in Bangkok. And so I've not really thought of reality shows, but a TV show, like a soap show, that I'm very keen on doing. Not so much on reality shows, not yet.
What kind of reality show? Like dance, singing?
I'm not that keen on doing a reality show right now. But yeah, a TV show, a daily soap, I'm more keen on doing.
Do's and don'ts for fans.
Do's for fans. And don'ts for fans. They do everything right. They're the best. Fans are like they are the people who make us stars or whatever we are. Like, you know, they make us. Because if they don't watch our show, we are nothing. You know, so fans are God for artists. Seriously.
Okay. So, any message to your fans?
My message to my fans is that you all are so special to me, and you all have a very warm spot in my heart, because whatever I am today is only thanks to you guys, and I just love you all from the bottom of my heart.
Okay, we're doing this section when I was 17, so you have to describe how you were when you were 17. So you just need to start when I was 17 and you start.
Okay. When I was 17, well, I was a very healthy girl. Not very healthy, but a little motu to thi main. And I used to love food. And I was totally into friends. Matlab, I was like day night, like friends, kuch bhi karna hai, friends ke saath karna hai. Studying bhi, I have to study also with friends. I have to go out also with friends. So my life is totally surrounded by friends and friends. That was my life at the age of 17. Oh yeah.
Favorite nursery rhyme?
Okay, I don't know that. I just know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, for all of you, let me see my special children nursery rhyme. The only one that I remember is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Bart Simpson.
Favorite childhood memory?
Childhood memory. My favorite childhood memory was, you know, me and my sister. We had a very good, my mom's best friend's son, and we used to like very close, like, you know, family friends. Used to meet every Friday evening. So we used to tell him all these ghost stories and scare the hell out of that poor kid. That poor boy used to cry every night and tell his mom, "Dad, can I sleep between you two? Because Tonal and Shilpa have scared me with some ghost stories." And that was some memory that I had from my childhood.